even the non-alcoholic stuff in there is good flavor. Right here is the Rusty Compass. Right here, they have deli in there. They have breakfast wraps and stuff like that. All kinds of coffee. The Fog Cutter opens at 8. Here's the bank on the left-hand side. The IGA store opens at 8. You have another store right up there where that van is parked right there. The Gold Spot. She makes her own jewelry. Looks like there ain't too much going on in town yet. I don't know. People got to wake up at this time. Carolyn's Closet. More shops right here. I think they might be open.
There's your supermarket.
You know, they are. Really? Yeah. Here, I thought I was late. So we go through the breweries right here. Opens up at noon.